Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this mascarpone cake, and it's a cake super easy and doesn't require any baking. I'm gonna use for this between 36 and 40 wafers, sweet ones, 250 milliliters of milk, and I'm gonna dip the biscuits, or we call them biscuits, the wafers, in the milk, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 250 grams of fresh farmer's cheese, and vanilla paste, a teaspoon. If you don't have, vanilla extract is just fine. I put both mascarpone and fresh cheese in my mixer bowl. I'm gonna add vanilla paste and start mixing these together on low speed in the beginning. I will increase the speed in just a minute because I want this mixture to be really nice and fluffy. And of course I'm gonna start adding powdered sugar, and I'm gonna be in a sweet cloud over here. Keep on mixing until all sugar is incorporated and the filling is gonna be nice and fluffy. I will start now to assemble the cake, so I will dip those sweet wafers in milk just for a second, not more than that, and place them in my dish. I have a rectangular dish with 30 per 20 centimeters, and I'm gonna try to fill as many wafers as I can to cover all this surface. And if you need to cut a few wafers to make sure that you have no gaps, please do so. Now put some filling on and level it nicely with a spatula, and we're gonna alternate filling and wafers that we soak a bit in the milk until we finish all the filling and also wafers. Try to level it gentle, not to move the wafers underneath too much. Make sure to cover all the surface with a filling. Add another layer of wafers on top and continue to alternate wafers and filling until you finish them both. After this, I put the cake in the fridge overnight because I wanted to set nicely, to give it time to set, because we usually like cakes that are nice sliced and they look really nice on a small plate. So make sure to cover it with some cling film, because you might have other meals in the fridge and you don't want the cake to burn the smell of those. So cover the cake and keep it in the fridge until the second day, until when you're gonna be able to slice it and enjoy it with your friends and family. I hope you like the recipe. It's a really easy one and suited for this hot summer, because no one wants to turn on the oven on this heat, and even kids can make this because it's pretty safe for them to make it without turning on any oven. Thank you so much again. Have an awesome day and find reasons to smile. Bye bye.